Alright YouTube, I always see a question on the buzzing sound on an '06 Suburban with the Bose stereo system. And this is what I did. I got this little line level converter. All you do is put it in, just patch right into the line. Right now I have it on, but the truck is off, so I have no sound. But you could adjust the sound so it goes into preamp. You don't have to spend $1,000 to replace everything in your stereo system. But it's this little guy here. Picked it up at Walmart for 20 bucks. Then you can turn it on. Zero buzzing sound. Plus, it'll be nice and quiet. Which I really appreciate, having no buzzing sound. Well, hope that helps anybody else. If this is my wiring mess here. Alright, hope it helps.